Welcome. In front of me is a RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, just open up your settings, and in here navigate to storage. From the drop-down menu, right over here, you want to select your SD card. Now, nothing here says SD card, so what you're looking for is any other thing that is listed here apart from this device. Obviously, this device refers to the phone storage, so anything else listed here, like the Android, that is my SD card. So you can click on it, and you can see right here, it tells me how much storage is taken, how much is available, and we're going to click right here on these three dots when the storage is selected, and then select Format, and this gets us a quick message. So format this SD card, disregard the first message, it's well, incorrect, it doesn't need to be formatted, but the second one, formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another device, or to another SD card or device. So we're going to click on Format now, considering I don't have anything here that I want to back up, but obviously if you do that beforehand. Anyway, gonna click on Format. This begins a quick formatting session, and well, you can see it's already finished, so we can click on Done, and that's it. The card is formatted. Now, when it's done, first time around, you'll see that it kind of doesn't like detect it almost. You can see it detects it now. So I just didn't reload that information. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.